Here we go. We have a question: intersection of two arrays with duplicate elements. So you have given two integers a and b, and you have to find the intersection of two arrays. Intersection of arrays said to be elements that are common in both of the array, and the intersection should not include duplicate elements, and the result should contain items in any order. Suppose we got this example and we got 1, 1 is there, then we got 2, it is not there, then we got 1, 1 is there, but this one is already marked, but we got 1 and it is again occurring in b. So although I have already included 1, so I will not include this current element. Then we got 3, 3 is included, then we got 1, as we have already considered 1, so we will not consider this one. So we only got 1 and 3. In this we got 1, so 1 is there, then we again got 1, 1 is there, but we will not consider it. In this no intersection is there. Now let's try to build the approach. So we got this example. The brute force will be to check each array, each element with um, each array with each and every element in the second array. But there may be a chance that we got duplicate elements. So for that we can use set data structure. So in our brute force, the time complexity will go into n multiply m, and the space complexity will be order of n. But we can optimize it. How we gonna optimize it? First of all, we need to store all the elements from any one of the array. So we will consider the we will take as low memory as we need only. So we will iterate in the smallest array. This is not the smallest array, second is the smallest array. So just swap the arrays, then include all of these elements in the set. So we got set, and in set we contain 1, 2 and 3, and we also need to return a list. So let's say build a list, then we will iterate in this array. We got 3, is 3 there? 3 there means 3 um, is in our first array. Yes, 3 is there, so we will consider 3. So just add 3 in our list. Then we got 1, is 1 there? Yes, 1 is there, so just consider 1. Then we again got 3, is 3 there? Yes, 3 is there, but we already considered 3. How we gonna check whether we have already considered 3 or not? One thing you can do is to is instead of creating a list, we can create a set, and after getting all the elements we can add every element in a set and return we can like get all the element from set into a list and return a list. This is one of the approach. The other approach will be to remove the elements in set as we go through. So just remove the elements. Now let me iterate one more time. We got 3, so 3 is there, add 3 and also remove 3, which means we have already considered this element. Then we got 1, yes, 1 is there, so include 1 and remove 1. Then we got 3, 3 is not there, means either we have already considered 3 or 3 is not there in array 1. Then we got 4, 4 is not there, then we got 1, 1, it is not there, so we got list only. So what will be the time complexity in this case? Time complexity, first we have to iterate in this, so it will be n, then we are iterating in this, so it will be m. So time complexity is order of n plus m. And what's the space complexity? As we have a set, so it will be minimum of n or m. So this will be our space complexity. Now let's code this. We got nm. If our second array is smallest, so just swap the arrays. And so we got list to return our answer. Then we need a set, iterate in array 1, then we iterate in array 2, if this element is there in our set. So just include this element and also remove the current element from the set. That's all. Let's submit this, and I hope it will work. Code is given in the description box. And if you guys have any doubt related to this question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching this video.